Hello everyone, you are watching Mansi and I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm going to share a very personal story and want to talk about a topic which is surrounded by peer pressure and social norm drinking. So before this story happened with me, I had pretty strong opinions about drinking. To be honest, I was one of those people who judge people harshly who choose to drink. I used to think that why would they do that to their body or they're just trying to fit in because it could either lead to poor decision making or your reckless behavior in front of others. But looking back, I realize now that my judgmental attitude was not exactly fair or understanding. But I still don't support the idea of drinking, okay? Yeah. But now I don't judge people who drink because it's their personal choice. So, this story will tell you if I start drinking or not. So, stay with me till the end of this story and let's get started. So, if you're watching me for the first time, let me tell you that I did my BTech from IIT Dhanbad, and this story is my final year college story. So, in the final year of college, everyone was got placed. So, everyone was doing only three things in the final year. First is either studying for semester exams and chilling with friends. Second is going with a trip with friends. And third is partying hard day and night. So, till final year of the college, I was the person who has never tried drinking before. So, my friends actually tried to convince me many times to give it a try. But I think मुझे convince करना थोड़ा difficult है. If I am not getting that feeling from inside of to do something right, then मैं खुद को ही convince नहीं कर पाती कोई चीज़ करने के लिए. तो फिर लोग तो मुझे क्या ही convince कर लेंगे. So one day I was chilling with my friends and they actually told me that uh, in Bangalore, Hyderabad, in job, it is very common that people do occasional drinking for quick catch-ups and for networking. उनका जो point था कि if you want to try for the first time, then try with friends and not with the colleagues who you don't even know. So they are actually trying hard to convince me to try. Also, till then, I have not seen people how they actually react and behaved after drinking. So I thought, let me just go and see how people actually behaved after drinking. So I had this group of friends. So they planned a party for me because they wanted to enjoy and I wanted to see drunk people. So we were around 13, 14 people. 4 to 5 people actually don't drink, including me. And others are open to everything, all kind of drinks, smoke, everything. Okay. So now the D-Day came. We all were excited. Obviously, I was excited for dinner. So we actually started with dinner and we all had dinner and then we started playing few games like damsharaz and all जो भी मतलब बच्चे खेलते हैं the normal games we were playing. फिर थोड़े टाइम बाद शुरू हुआ असली खेल when people start drinking. And the actual fun started after some time when it's actually started doing its job and the people actually started losing their senses. Some people start smiling, some starts crying, and there was one person who actually started telling everyone that you are very nice person, you are my best friend, and he was saying exactly same sentences to everyone. It was actually super fun and entertaining for the sober people because because they actually know what is happening. And there was one more person जिसके पास आईफोन था. आई थिंक हम सब में से सिर्फ उसके पास ही आईफोन था एंड उसका आईफोन का जो चार्जर का पिन था ना दैट वाज एक्चुअली लिटिल लूज एंड उसका फोन एक्चुअली 5% था. तो वो ड्रिंक करने के बाद ही वॉज एक्चुअली टिप्सी एंड आई डोंट नो ही वॉज वेटिंग फॉर सम कॉल फ्रॉम हिज फैमिली और समथिंग लाइक दैट. So he need to charge his phone. See, he was sitting just near to the plug and holding his phone in one hand and the charger pin on the other hand. And he was just sitting and charging his phone in that position entire time. And his phone was not even charging. So I don't know why, what was the reason, but yeah. So that was also funny for me. So थोड़ा टाइम और बीता एंड कुछ लोग ऐसे थे जिनके इमोशंस एक्चुअली बढ़ते जा रहे थे एंड तब तक भी ठीक था. And the time has come when their body actually didn't take it anymore, and then actually the real game started for the sober people because they are the one who have to handle them, right? They cannot just leave them like that in that condition. So what actually happened that people started vomiting, So after some time, we were all actually managed to handle them. And then after some time, we all came back. So after seeing the condition of my friends, मेरे अंदर की जो दृढ़ता थी that I don't want to try, वो और भी ज़्यादा strong हो गई. And I was like, भाई ये तो मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा. And this is a big no for me. I cannot see myself in that condition ever. Many people have told me that if you will try, right, you will feel something, beyond. You will feel कि I don't know कहाँ आ गए. You will forget all your pains and all. I just don't understand that if I'm not in my senses, right? What is the point of enjoying in that condition? एंड माई पॉइंट इज जब आप होश में रहकर खुश नहीं रह पा रहे हो और एंजॉय नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो उससे बुरा क्या ही हो सकता है. मतलब खुश होने के लिए आपको किसी नशे का सहारा लेना पड़ रहा है. दिस इज एक्चुअली द वर्स्ट. या सो दैट डे आई डिसाइडेड दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू ट्राई एनी नशे. भाई कोई भी मत करो, कोई भी मत करो. दिस इज एक्चुअली यूजलेस और बहुत महंगी आती है. तो उस पार्टी में तो भाई मैंने एक्चुअली डिनर ही किया था. तो सोबर लोगों ने खाने का ही पैसा दिया था और जो उनका ड्रिंकिंग और जो भी स्मोकिंग वगैरह का जो भी था वो उनके बीच में स्प्लिट हुआ था. एक्चुअली पैसे भी बर्बाद हो रहे हैं, हेल्थ भी बर्बाद हो रही है और नशे में क्या एंजॉय किया, क्या किया वो बाद में याद भी नहीं रहता. राइट. It's useless, trust me, it's useless. And fortunately in my team कोई भी drink नहीं करता, so there is nothing casual drinking thing for us. So we all are lunch people. हमें कुछ भी celebrate करना होता है तो we all go on a lunch. और डांस तो आप घर पे भी कर सकते हो, राइट. और सबसे ज्यादा मजा तो फिर भाई अकेले डांस करने में ही आता है. गाने बजाओ और कुछ भी डांस करो. दैट इज एक्चुअली द सुपर फन. So the biggest lesson that I have learned that night was the importance of staying true to yourself and being open minded at the same time. It is actually easy to get caught up in the judgment, but ultimately it is not our place to decide what is wrong and what is right for others. From the health perspective, that night I have seen the negative effects of drinking because some people were vomiting, others were stumbling, few were just exhausted and were in pain the next day. So it made me realize that these habits can have the serious consequences on our physical and mental well-being. So the conclusion is, so don't let the peer pressure and the social norm dictate your choices and make decisions that actually aligns with your goals and with your values. So if you have any other thoughts, then do share in the comment section. And thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, then hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next interesting story. Until then, bye bye.